What is up? I am Janko, and today I have for you 10 tips for a successful raid of Area 51. 1.1 million people have signed up to raid Area 51. They want to know what aliens, what kind of technology they can find, and they are pumped the fuck up, man. Their motto, they can't stop us all. You know what? I disagree, but just in case you do agree with that idea that they can't stop you all, watch this video. 10 things that will make your raid successful for everybody. Number 1, make your travel arrangements now. One of the key mistakes people make while traveling to do something like this is they wait to the last minute. They think prices are going to drop. Well, guess what? They're not. Over 1 million people are supposed to be going to this thing. So if they do, those seats on the buses, on the trains, on the planes are all going to sell out super fast. And then you're going to end up having a bicycle from New York City all the way to Vegas. And you're just going to wuss out at that point. Please don't be one of those people that are too stupid to get your travel plans now, even though you're dumb enough to storm Area 51. Number 2. After you land at the Las Vegas airport and before you decide to travel to the open desert to make that one last run on Area 51, please make sure to spend some time in Vegas, get drunk one last time, have a party, do some gambling, and get laid one last time. For some of you, it might be the first, and that's okay, but you don't want to die a virgin. So please go, because you want to give yourself one more happy memory before you do the dumbest fucking thing of your life. Number 3, take snacks. I can't emphasize this enough. I don't know if you've ever been to Vegas, but when you get there, Vegas International Airport, Vegas, Area 51. It's in the middle of the fucking desert, people, and the only way to get there is 2-lane highways and rock trails and dirt trails. So you are going to be stuck in traffic with 1.1 million other idiots. Take some popcorn, take some combos. Fritos aren't bad in the car unless other people don't like the smell of feet. Take some Mountain Dew. It's always good for a desert trip, right? But importantly, water, because you want to stay hydrated. Not only is it important to stay hydrated in the desert, but that way, while the military is doing an autopsy on your corpse, they'll get accurate readings and weights of all of your internal organs if they're well hydrated. If you're dehydrated, that's going to throw those numbers off a little bit. Number 4, wear comfortable shoes. I cannot stress this one enough. You're going to be in the open desert. You don't want heavy boots or sandals or flip-flops. They're going to have rocks in them. It's going to be really, really difficult to run when you're charging towards this military installation. Furthermore, you're not going to want heavy combat boots or hiking boots when you're running the other way after the bullets start flying. I suggest some really, really good running shoes. Make sure you buy them and break them in before you go, because if you don't, you could have bad blisters and it could really, really hurt. And after all, while you're lying there bleeding out in the desert because the military used deadly force to stop you from charging its most secret installation, you want your feet to be comfortable. Number 5, don't take cash. Well, wait, there's a slight caveat to this one. You're going to want to take some cash. I'll get into later, I think it's number 9. We'll get into why you don't want to take all your cash. But anyway, you want to take some cash because you want to have that last awesome night in Vegas. You want to be able to get laid one more time, and then you're going to need to buy road snacks. But don't take more cash than you need. There's a few reasons for this. 1, there's a lot of idiots that have signed up to this. And most likely within that pool of low IQ, there's going to be some shady folks who are going to see you as another idiot, and they're going to use you as a target to steal your money. You don't want to die in the desert after being stolen from by another idiot. The second reason you don't want to have that cash on you is because if you die with a large sum of cash on you, the military is just going to take that cash and they're going to use it for further alien research on another base that they've already moved all the shit to, because there's nothing at Area 51, but your dumbass just died charging there. So you don't want to reward them too much for being able to have live fire exercises at your expense. Number 6, leave your nicest clothes at home, right? Pack light. You're going to be charging a heavily fortified and defended military installation. You can't have like suitcases and bags and all that on you, so you want to travel light. Not only that, but you want to leave your nicest clothes at home because Area 51 is in the middle of the desert, right? That sand and heat. Those are bad for nice clothes, right? You're going to be sweating a lot. The dust is going to be flying. You don't want your nicest clothes to get all dusty and dirty, right? Plus, you want to leave your best outfit at home so that your parents or family can actually have something nice to bury you in, provided that you didn't get hit with a mortar shell or with a tank round, and the military actually sends your body back to your family to have an open casket funeral. We are now on number 7, everybody. Please stick with me. The best is still to come. Leave a will. Not that it's going to matter, because most likely once the military kills you, they will erase your existence from every single database on the planet. But there's a pretty possible chance that you have a library cache somewhere of those government conspiracy videos, and you're going to want to be able to have a lawyer give those to your favorite friend or loved one after you mysteriously disappear. That brings us to number 8. Don't wear body armor of any kind. We as a nation need to reduce our military spending. That is impossible to do if we force the military to waste countless bullets massacring millions of morons. More bullets means increased military spending. The rest of us need those bullets to penetrate your body quickly and kill you as efficiently as possible so the government can keep using that money to wage wars and kill people in other countries. I personally want them to murder the idiots in this country first. 9. And this is the biggest one. Please make sure to liquidate all of your assets before you leave. This is a little bit different than the cash one, right? You want to take some cash with you to go to Vegas. You want that last hurrah. But you want to liquidate all of your assets. If you have any real estate holdings, stock holdings, anything like that, liquidate it all, sell it all, right? You want to take all of that cash, give it to your family and friends to set them up after you die. Then, once you've set them up relatively comfortably, click the link in the description down below. That's my my tip link, right, on my Twitch page. Please go ahead, send all of the rest of your money to me, because I am smarter than you and I can use your money way better than you ever will. Do you want me to prove it to you? Here's the thing. While you're planning on rushing one of the most well-defended military installations all under the guise of they can't stop us all, I know that they can, plus I don't give a shit what's there. I'm sitting here in an air-conditioned house, relatively comfortable. It is hot as balls outside, but you're going to know about that in September. Anyway, I'm sitting here eating pizza rolls, drinking my pop, making a video full of sarcasm and jokes at your expense, while you're planning all of this idiocy. That right there goes to show me I'm smarter than you are. After all, the biggest thing I have to worry about right now are cardiac arrest and burning my lips on pizza rolls that are molten hot straight out of the oven. Meanwhile, you're going to be dealing with landmines, assault rifles, grenades, fighter jets, tanks, mortar shells, all being fired at you because you're a fucking idiot who thought they can't stop us all. Yes, they can. Yes, they will. And I'm going to be sitting here eating pizza rolls, watching it all happen online with a shit-eating grin on my face. Number 10, have fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really, really appreciate your time. Please share this. We need to get these tips out to everybody. 1.1 million people are trying to go out there. If all of those people see this, they will have a very successful raid and we will be better off. So please, you're doing society a favor by sharing this. So please make sure that you share it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check the links down below for merch. And don't forget, if you are going to Area 51, the link is down below to send me your assets after you take care of your family. Happy raiding, everybody.